down yung record. Gabi! Okay lang. Wala naman tayo dito. Hey, what's up, guys? I gave so many signs. Oo.
Sino na?
Di pa kiniklik ni Gabi. Okay lang. Didn't even warning sign. Buti nga. Ay,
Yeah, buti na.
ayaw naman paglalaki ang avatar eh. Huwag na.
Uy, ano?
You're Larry. Taylor's, where are you? Clarabo nga.
High school. High school.
Hmm?
Guys! That's high school team! Sige, help! Guys!
Sige na.
What?
Ito ng bag. Yun lang. Pati mo. Suko ka ng book.
God!
Oh.
Yung clueless ang gagawin ko.
This happens once.
Form sa clueless. Ah. Yung pag na backpack. Yan.
These chemicals. What if I told you I'm back? Now hospitals. Oh, ayan. Suko ng book. Okay na? Sige. Okay na.
It's a demon.
So, so when I touch down, call the amateurs and turn. Get the crown, baby. I'm the one who bleed. It's the sign on your house. Said it's still a serve for me. Honestly, who would fight the alchemy? Hey, what if I told you we're cool? Yeah, you're cute. Patuloy mukha mo. It's ugly. Come on. Ah, trust me, it's ugly.
Guys!
Fine, whatever. So when I touch down, call the amateurs and cut them from the team. Ditch the crowds, get the crowd, baby. I'm the one to be. Yung mga koket na ano sa school. Honestly, won't wait, fight the alchemy. Face goes on adventure, we've been on the winning streak. Eating jokes that it's heroin, but this time with an E. Cause I that it's still deserved from me. Honestly, later, like the rain strikes all. Ikaw, sorry. She is standing to the floor. She is chanting cause they said there was no chance. Trying to be the bravest in the league. Where's the trophy? He just comes running over to me. Touchdown, call the amateurs and cut him from the team. Ditch the crowds, get the crowd, baby. I'm the one to be. It's the sign on your heart. Said it's still a serve for me. Honestly, oh, wait, like the alchemy. Leaves goals on adventure. We've been on the winning streak. We jokes that it's heroin, but this time with an E. Cause you lying on your heart, that it's still reserved for me. Fight the alchemy. This happens once every few lives. These chemicals. Oh,
That
alam ko nakita ko yung
P.
kapukta mo si Clarabelle. Kapukta mo si You look like Clarabelle in this life. remarkable of your life. Did you know you'd be picked like a rose? I'm trying to exaggerate, but I think I might die if it happened. Die if it happens to me. In Manhattan. You're the real thing. Promise to be that. You look like Stevie Nicks and seven. Stevie Nicks and seven. Day five. Fingertips. Ang liwanag nun. Masyado. Gabi, close na. Gabi, close na. And Jesse, oh, the cheap boat, 5 star. What? The real thing. Ay, nasa ano ah?
Clueless na.
Ah, 3 star daw.
Ah, sige, hindi ka namin iboboto.
Ah, 1 star nga.
Hindi kita iboboto.
Yak! Yak! Yung
Yak!
mukha!
Yak!
Ugly face.
Yak! Yak!
Go.
Kala mo ha? Dahil
Ay naman kayo. Ano mo, ano, ako pa rin panalo. You look
Wala.
like
Hindi kita boboto.
Tai Chi Swift.
Hindi na kita iboboto. Hindi na kita iboboto.
Kasi ganito ka, ganito ka, ganito ka. Helicopter, helicopter. Pornacopter, pornacopter. No? Huh?
Ang luto nung ginawa ni Kuya. Creamy pancit canton. Sarap. Totoo lang. Totoo lang. Sarap. Queen of Hearts.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ako na doon si ano, si Ruby. Ako na doon. Oh, 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 oh. Ako na kay Ruby.
But me.
Okay na, lagyan mo na ng heart. Yung heart na sinusuot mo, Daichi.
I even consort.
Went outside. So, well, I got number 3. So,
Poisoning all the other meats in the village. So it's an eye.
ano ba? Yung ano mo kanina, yung nilagay mo sa ano, yung headband.
And if you win, you get the keys to your own house.
And a marriage proposal for the friends. It's not a secret recipe. A little sugar, butter, and a lot of positivity.
All prizes
Uh,
to see. Well, we all
oh no, it's not coming tonight. That weasel over there was sick from last night. We must clean my bed pot next. Verbal boosting every time. Got a plan. Shut cares. Speak not, tire tacky wench, clean. Oh, ladies, why not? If you're allowed to, well, she's not. First, no, no, no. Again. The tire nerves, right? Quickly. What should I say? Swiftly? Ah, there it goes again. Never gets old. Let's forget. You've been exiled, dear. You're not going anywhere anytime soon. Certainly not the ball. Now, girls, let's get many, many chocks. Bye. Bye, Snake. Come find being exiled, Stinky. I'm gonna be hungover. I'm gonna get a bunch of lilies and I'm gonna be hungover. Baby love, I think I've been a little too kind. Notice you walking all over my peace of mind. And the shoes I gave you as a present with someone burst the word when you're in your top five. By the way, I'm going out tonight. Best believe I'm still bejeweled when I walk in the room. I can still make the home shimmer. I may not eat the band, but after you have a man, I can still say I don't remember. Familiarity breaks intense to push me in the basement when I'm at the penthouse of your heart. Diamonds in eyes, I polish up real nice. Oh, lang ako nag-ano nga. Mamaya tayo picture pagkatapos na nito. Oh, I miss you. Oh, okay. Ano? Sige, picture. I may not need the pen. Ala, anong oras na lang? Oh, shit. Oo.
Oh, yes, I do. Dai!
No. Buto wo.
Adi!
No! It's really not a secret recipe.
Bakit
A
nagdungo?
little butter, sugar, and a lot of positivity. Na, 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 na. Oh, and that's enough to go around. Na, 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 I see. Sometimes we make mistakes. Sometimes we learn to play. Saan tong ano? Saan tong Queen of Hearts?
Ah, sige. Ako pa rin naman.
Ayaw ba?
star lang. One star naman. Hahaha.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure to share, subscribe. Bye!
Ba? Bibilhin ko na yung paki culture.